So this is what it looks like. Very cool. Really nice. I love that a lot. And you can see it from very far away as well. Swap it out to the orange. These definitely get a 5-star rating from me. I love them. Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing with your host Scott. So today we're checking out these solar deck lights. So we go ahead, open up, we'll show you guys what they look like and then show you guys how they look in the dark. So we've reviewed similar ones before. Nice black, it's kind of a matte black finish. You got LEDs all around the side, solar panel on the top. There is a plastic piece, so you want to pop up the corner. You want to get that off because if it's setting in the sun, it will bake on. So peel that plastic layer off the solar panel. On the back here, you have on, off, and on. So, ooh, they're nice. We'll show you guys in the dark, but you have red light, and then you have like an orange light. So I think we're going to use these as probably indicators for our driveway, for my garage, so I know the corners. But very nice. This is a 4-pack. I don't know if I said that or not. They give you double-sided tape, so you don't have to drill. They give you a manual. They give you all the screws that you need right in here. So each one takes 2 screws and it's just drilled straight down through. I mean, a very simple. If you want to use double-sided tape, you can put it on the back here and then just plop it right on something and it'll stick. So I'll go ahead and test them out. But they are really nice so far. So far, I'm very happy with the quality that they look like. So this is what it looks like. Very cool. Really nice. I love that a lot. And you can see it from very far away as well. Swap it out to the orange. These definitely get a 5-star rating from me. I love them.